All right, guys, so we're going to show you all the actual display itself and the different settings on there. So the first thing you're going to have is you're going to have the voltage of, this is real time. 79.6 is the real time voltage of the scooter in the battery. Okay, so it goes up to 84. Is that when the only time that your battery charger will turn green from red is when it's at full charge at 84. Okay, it's going to shut off. The scooter is at 62. 62 is the number where it will completely shut down. That is meant. It's on every scooter. It's meant to protect the lithium-ion batteries. You cannot let the lithium-ion batteries go completely dry. It will ruin them very, very quickly, and this is the reason for that. It protects it from going completely dry. All right, so next thing, you can go over here. So this is the miles per hour, obviously, the speed, all right? It goes very fast, guys. The next one, the battery, okay? It has the bars, and it shows you how much battery life you have there. Always use this one right here, guys. This is the real-time number right here, 79.6, okay? It's the easiest one to remember and easiest one to see. And then go drop below that, and you're gonna go to the gears, okay? And so to change the gears, all right, you're gonna just push a soft push when you turn the power on. So let's do this from the start. So turn it off, turn it back on, power it up, hold it down, just like that, and it'll start with gear 1. So I'm just gonna push it one time, gear 2. One more time, gear 3, and back to 1, okay? So all you get is a quick push, and I always start in gear 3. That's the fastest speed, and you'll always be able to go as fast as you want to with the scooter. If you're in 2 or 1, you're limiting your speed, okay?